Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up React navigation for screen routing in mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your terminal and navigate to your React Native project directory. Make sure you have React Navigation installed. If you haven't installed it yet, run the command to install React Navigation. You may also need to install the necessary dependencies for React Navigation. For a basic setup, you will need React Native Gesture Handler, React Native Reanimated, and React Native Screens. Once these are installed, import the necessary components from React Navigation in your app.js file. Start by importing Navigation Container from the React Navigation library. Next, import Create Stack Navigator from the Stack Navigator package. Create your Stack Navigator by calling Create Stack Navigator. Now, define your app screens by creating functions or components for each screen. For example, create a home screen component. Repeat this process for any additional screens you want to add to your navigation. Next, set up your Stack Navigator inside the navigation container. Add your screens to the Stack Navigator using the screen component. For each screen, specify the name and component props. Now, ensure your main app component returns the navigation container with your Stack Navigator inside. Once your code is structured correctly, save the file. Open your mobile emulator or physical device to test the app. On the emulator, run the command to start your React Native application. You should see your initial screen render successfully. Swipe or navigate between the screens to ensure the routing works smoothly. If everything is set up correctly, you have successfully configured React Navigation for screen routing in your mobile app. Feel free to customize the appearance and behavior of your screens as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.